Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to earn money on your phone. If you are looking for ways to earn cash in your spare time, your smartphone can help you make some extra income. There are 16 different ways to earn money on your phone. If you are looking to understand how to make money on your phone, there are many opportunities available. We will look at some of the best ways to make money online and how to get started. Number 1. Playing games. One of the top ways Android user and iPhone user can make more money is through games. You can play games by downloading the apps on your phone. You redeem for money or receive payouts in the form of PayPal cash, gift cards and more depending on the game. The second method is watching video for extra cash. If you have a new minutes and want to earn a few bucks, you can watch video to make extra money. So these apps can earn rewards and earn bonus points that are redeemable for cash and gift cards. The third method is downloading investment apps. Investment apps are one of the best passive income streams. Available on both Google Play Stores and the iPhone iOS App Store, you can download an investment app and create an investment account in minutes. So only put in as much as you can afford to account for market fluctuations. The fourth method is downloading survey apps. If you are looking to make some money and share your opinion, taking paid surveys could be the right option for you. All you have to do is complete surveys and answer survey questions in different topics to earn money. After you are done taking surveys, you receive points that you redeem for gift cards and PayPal cash. Online shopping. A lot of major retailers offer amazing cashback deals by working with apps such as BeFrugal, Drop and more. All you will need to do is download the app, set up an account and start shopping online like you usually would. Other apps like Ibotta will also give you cashback when shopping in person and online purchases. Taking photos and video for extra money. Many apps will pay for your photos and videos such as Snapwire and iEam are some options that you can use. The apps offer you a percentage every time your photos sell or your videos sell to agencies and buyers. The seventh method is utilizing gig apps. There are plenty of gig apps that enable you to make money in your free time. Gig apps can include driving for Uber and Lyft or delivering food using apps such as Grubhub and Uber Eats. Gig apps are a great option if you are looking for something flexible where you can set your own hours. The eighth method is selling clothes. Another great way to earn extra cash is to sell items such as clothing and homeware. Online apps. You can use apps such as Poshmark, Mercerai and eBay. That is why it is important to price items with these nuances in mind to ensure you are making enough money. This is a growing segment with a lot of choices, so the best app to sell clothes. The ninth method is using mystery shopping apps. Another avenue for earning some more money is by using a mystery shopping app. Companies such as Field Agents and Gigwalk have mobile apps where as a user you will be notified where to shop with difficult brands and report back to their experience. You receive a small payment for each mystery shopping experience and it can be a good option for supplementing your income. The third method is becoming a language tutor. There are many on-demand language services such as Tutor Job where you can tutor others through your phone. Depending on the language you know, you can teach and set your own hours for lessons. After completing lessons, your student you will receive payment. And the 11th method is take on a customer service role. Many customer roles can be done through cell phones, making it an effective way to earn money while working part-time. You can answer phone calls and solve customer issues while at home and earn per hour. Now, these are the 11 methods to earn money from your phone. Let us start our making money on your phone today. Thanks to smartphone, making money on your phone has become easier than ever. And there are plenty of easy options that you can start doing today to make extra cash. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.